Hey, Stan Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I was going to take a minute and show you this 2010 Dodge Challenger that you were interested in. This is a two-owner vehicle. It's been in the Midwest in Tennessee its whole life. No accidents, no damage for a 2010. It's in great shape. It has not been smoked in. The interior is in really good shape. It does have the cloth interior. This one's obviously the 5.7 liter Hemi automatic transmission. Does come with 2 keys. You can see the driver's seat here. That's where you always see most of the wear, but this one's in really good shape. Like I said, it has not been smoked in. I'm going to show you all 4 wheels, and then I'm going to walk around the car and point out any dings or bops I see. This is the back driver wheel, front driver wheel, front passenger wheel, rear passenger wheel. All wheels are in good shape. Tires are in good shape. There is a little bit of light chipping on the front here. Just some rock chips. Nothing crazy. Sometimes you see a little bit on the hood too. There's a spot right there. I did see one scratch right here. The under cowling is a little bit discolored. I think it's where somebody tried to wax it. You can just throw some Armor All on that and it'll black back out real good. Also a spot right there. Other than that, down the body of the car, no real imperfections. There's a light spot right there. A little bit right there. Not a single ding or dent. Just some light wear and tear that you'd expect out of a 9-year-old car, man. I hope this gives you a little bit more clarity on what our car looks like. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give me a shout. Thanks for your time.